Another threat to their existence is the illegal pet trade. Being the smallest bear species, the sun bear does not have any natural enemies. However, they are sometimes victims of human-wildlife conflict, which can arise from a number of factors. Sometimes the sun bear might wander into a village in search of food. If a bear becomes a nuisance to humans, it is often killed. Another threat to their existence is the illegal pet trade. People hunt sun bears to sell them illegally as pets. In some countries, it is believed that eating parts of the sun bear can cure certain ailments. This leads to the poaching of sun bears for their body parts.